Hi, I'm Reca. We are from Hilton Technologies and Mohd. This is our project title, AI Trademark Logo Creator. Our project team members are Xian, our project manager, quality manager Ni, and me, Reca Seng, as a financial analyst in the team. Let's start off with the initiating process groups where we have come out with the project charter and the statement of work. In this project integration management, we decided to use waterfall project approach with the goal of developing a system that can create a logo creatively. Thus, we assume the model will have to train around 6,000 data. Next, in the project stakeholder management, we have also met with stakeholders from Microsoft International Mohd through Microsoft Teams to discuss on our project in using AI techniques to generate logos. Besides, we have developed a preliminary project scope and done some research on the use of deep learning, image processing, and GPT-3 in generating image logos. This is the image that we have taken from the OpenAI website where GPT-3 is used to generate logo by inserting some text. Through the research, we have also found that GAN is a very useful deep learning models for image processing. Then, in the project scope management, while collecting the requirements, we have interviewed the users of the existing logo generator and observed how logo designers in coming out with logo design. The results that we obtain from collecting requirements are the user must be able to choose the color of their logo, and most of the logo that we have in the marketplace are based on wording, for example like Google company, Grab company, and Facebook. Then in the process of defining the scope of our project, we have some discussion with the expert and analyze the product of the existing logo generator. The results obtained after defining the scope are we suggest the logo to also have a combinations of colors to choose from and several styles of wording in generating the logo for the user. Next, we have come up with the work breakdown structure of our project to ensure that we can constantly verify and control the scope of our project. This is our work breakdown structure in the form of Gantt chart. We know the responsibility assignment is crucial in meeting scope criteria of our project. So, we have come up with a responsibility assignment matrices to plan for the project human resources management of our team. Plus, this is the cost estimation of our project where we get to know the net present value for the system that we are developing. Here, we have included the travel costs where we need to meet all team members face-to-face for discussion. In this project, Xian is staying in KL, while me and Binti is staying in Johor Bahru. For this project also, we need to find suitable laptop and GPU server by considering price and also the specifications of the hardware. We assume Google Colab is paid service, whereby we can only use it with the limitations of 12 hours. From the cost estimation, we have got to know that we have successfully completed the project without exceeding the cost budget estimation. For project communication management, we have managed to meet every team members to discuss on the project and further improvements have been made every week. Besides, for the project risk management, we have come out with a table to analyze 3 important risk management control elements, which are quality, cost, and time. For the project procurement management, we discuss which buyer will be chosen together. Then, for the project launch and execution, we have continued to check the status and tracking, train models, model selection, and integrate the system with front end. However, we failed to generate the image logo using GAN, as shown in this picture, where it's so blurry due to hardware and time constraints, as the image generation would require computers with GPU and longer hours to run in each iteration. Instead, we have come up with another method, which is generating text image logo. Furthermore, for the project quality management, Binti has helped with the quality control, which has been done through integration testing, unit testing, and user acceptance testing of our system. For the closing part of the project integration management, we have also included the acceptance form, lesson learned document, and close contract. Overall, we have managed to apply all 9 knowledge areas that we have learned from AI project management course in this project. Next, I will pass to Xian to continue with the demo part of our system.
Hello, now I'm going to demo the system. So this system we can input any words to generate the logo. For example, I want to generate the logo for Big Shop. Here is the result of this parameter. So if let's say I want this logo very modernized, so this era I can set to very high value, and it will generate a modern logo. If I want this logo to be very old style, then I can set to very low value, and it generate a old style logo. If I want this logo very matured, then I can generate it by setting this parameter to 1. You can see that here it has a italic style, which is very adult handwriting. If I want it very childish, I can set the maturity to 0, then it will look childish. Then if I want the logo looks very sophisticated, then I can set the personality to 1, and then it looks more sophisticated. If I want the logo looks more playful, then set the personality to 0, and it will look more playful. So this parameter is based on we have a data set to generate this result. So before I build this system, I have already removed filter the data. I have filtered the data that is not useful. Like this, it is not useful for the system. Then I have removed it before I build this system. So next is generate palette, because usually the designer can hardly think of the combination of the color, so they will need AI to help them generate the color. This color is generated based on I use an API to generate this color. The API use GAN to produce color. So GAN is a neural network, deep learning, and then this GAN often can produce color that is different from human choice, but still look related with each other. Let's say if I want to generate this, okay, it looks very smooth. Let's say I want this color, but I don't like the other's color, then I can lock this color and then generate again. The other colors will change, but this color won't change. But the system will give a related colors to the human, to the user. If let's say I want to lock these two, also can. It will generate, it will change the unlock. That's all.